In the olden days, a moat and a drawbridge were a great way to protect a castle from enemies. But as threats evolved, this trusty combination was rendered useless. Perimeter security today is much like the moat and the drawbridge. Because of the increasing adoption of cloud and mobile technologies, it's ineffective and prone to breaches. You have no visibility into which user viewed or accessed what application. And to make matters worse, VPN connectivity leaves your network vulnerable by failing to evaluate the security posture of connecting devices and not enforcing least privilege access. Choose Securite Zero Trust Network Access to secure user access to enterprise applications across borderless workspaces. Using a cloud-first approach, it helps you create a zero-trust ecosystem that's scalable on demand. Securite Zero Trust Network Access comes with a plug-and-play kit that integrates into your existing IT, allowing your organization to ease into its zero-trust journey while eliminating traditional security silos. Your team saves time and effort by using real-time, visual-first insights to detect unauthorized application access attempts. As part of the Zero Trust policy, every user access is verified and only the required level of access is provided every single time. Choose from flexible agent-based or agent-less deployments, or employ both options to suit your enterprise security requirements. Securite Zero Trust Network Access offers a holistic, zero-trust security approach for a new world.